In this video, we will introduce the spreading system of DJI agricultural drones. The spreading system can be used for spreading granular materials with diameters ranging from 0.5 mm to 5 mm, such as fertilizer, seeds, feed, etc. After the spreading system is installed, spreading system settings will be displayed on the settings interface, and you can turn on or off the spraying and spreading system switch. This switch should be turned on during normal operations. The real-time spreading system data is used to monitor the status of the system. Material management is for calibrating to generate a predicted flow rate versus hopper outlet size diagram for specific materials. Spreading system calibration allows for sensor calibration. The spreading system provides a detection function to check whether the spread tank is empty. It uses weighing sensors to check the amount of the remaining material and thereby precisely control the spread rate and avoid missing areas. Therefore, after switching from the spraying system to the spreading system, it is necessary to perform empty tank calibration and weight sensor calibration to ensure spreading accuracy. The calibration procedures are as follows: empty the spread tank and place the agricultural drone on a level surface. Tap Begin. Tap Settings in the upper right corner, and tap Spreading System Settings. On the Spreading Calibration interface, tap Calibrate next to Empty Tank Calibration to start calibration. After the calibration is complete, tap OK. Tap Calibrate next to Weight Sensor Calibration and tap Start to start calibration. After the calibration is complete, tap OK. Different materials have different densities. Therefore, it is necessary to perform flow calibration before spreading a new material in order to ensure accurate spread quantity. The calibration procedures are as follows. Pull out the pin, keep it safe, and remove the spinner disc. Prepare to catch the material as it comes out. Fill the spread tank with the material to be spread. Go to Spreading System Settings, tap Materials Management, and add materials. Select a hopper outlet size. Large outlet is mainly used for spreading granular fertilizer and feed. Small outlet is a smaller opening used for spreading canola seeds, grass seeds, and other fine materials in small quantities. Select an appropriate hopper outlet size according to the actual situation. Tap Start Calibration. The spreader will start working during the calibration process. After the calibration is complete, tap Save. The materials templates are added. Call the field on which the task is to be performed, enter the editing interface, and adjust the root spacing based on the flight altitude and spinner disc speed. In normal cases, the root spacing can be set to 5 meters to 7 meters. For rice seeds, the root spacing should be less than 5 meters. Adjust other parameters according to the actual situation, and then save the field. Tap Use. Select the material for which calibration has been completed, and tap to return. The application rate should be set according to the actual situation. Generally, the spinner disc speed ranges from 800 to 1100 RPM. The higher the speed, the greater the spreading width. The flight speed will be affected by the application rate. It is generally recommended to set the speed within 7 meters per second. The height above crops is generally set to 3 to 4 meters for better efficiency. Tap Start to start the task. If manual spreading is required, select the M mode. In this mode, you can set the hopper outlet size, spinner disc speed and max flight speed in the spreading settings panel on the left side. After the drone takes off, tap to start the task, and press the Spray Spread button to start or stop spreading for more flexible operations. In Manual Plus mode, select the newly added material. Enter the application rate, and set the spinner disc rotating speed, flight speed, height relative to crops, and root spacing. Manually control the drone to fly to the task area and tap Start. The drone will start operating according to the set parameters. The procedure for the next flight route is the same as that for spraying operations. Promptly clean the spread tank after use. In particular, do not leave corrosive fertilizers in the tank. During operation, any material that sticks to the aircraft should be cleaned with a brush if possible. The tank should be filled after the battery has been installed to prevent the material from entering the power distribution board. To avoid damage to the weight sensors, do not place heavy objects on the spread tank for an extended time.